Your business needs a unique selling proposition. It's what sets your business apart from the competition and is the foundation of your marketing efforts. But what exactly is a USP, and how do you go about creating one for your business? This video will show you how to set up a unique selling proposition for your business. A unique selling proposition is a statement that describes what makes your business unique. It's a way to differentiate your business from your competitors and communicate what benefit you offer to your customers. First, determine what makes your business unique. This could be based on factors such as your products, services, location, or even your company culture. Second, research your competition. What do they offer that you don't? How can you fill any gaps in the market? Third, keep it simple. Your USP should be easy for potential customers to understand and remember. Fourth, test it out. After developing your USP, test it out with potential customers or clients to get a clear idea about your USP. If you're not sure how to create a USP for your business, consider working with a marketing or advertising agency. They can help you develop a USP that will make your business stand out from the crowd. Make sure that your USP is front and center in all your marketing materials. It should be predominantly featured on your website, in your advertising, and in any other communications with potential customers. Before you can create a USP, you need to understand who your target audience is. What are their needs and desires? What are their pain points? Once you know these things, you can start to craft a message that resonates with them. Your USP needs to be something that sticks in your customers' minds. It should be concise, clear, and easy to remember. Think of unique selling proposition as the elevator pitch for your business. Another metric you can use in customer retention are customers sticking around after they make a purchase. If they are, it's likely because they're satisfied with what they've bought, and your USP played a role in that satisfaction. Customer lifetime value is also a valuable metric when measuring the success of your USP. This measures how much revenue each customer brings in over the course of their relationship with your business. Finally, don't forget to keep your USP up to date as your business grows and changes. As your product offerings change, as you add new services, make sure that your USP still accurately reflects what you do best. These are the steps you need to take to set up a unique selling proposition for your business. Keep in mind that your USP should be something that sets you apart from your competition and resonates with your target audience. If you take the time to craft a strong USP, it will pay off in the form of increased brand awareness and customer loyalty.